Tired of sending out generic, unbranded invoices that look like they could have come from anyone? Do you ever wish your servicem8 invoices had that professional touch? That custom logo that instantly reminds your clients who they're doing business with? You're not alone. Many servicem8 users, especially those just starting out, wonder how to make their invoices stand out and build that all-important brand recognition. You've got the servicem8 system streamlining your jobs, quotes, and communication. But there's a missing piece: your identity. A logo isn't just a pretty picture. It's a powerful tool that conveys trust, professionalism, and a sense of establishment. It's the visual anchor of your brand. Think about it. When a client receives an invoice from you, what's the first thing they see? Is it just a list of line items and a total? Or is it a clean, branded document that reinforces your company's identity? The latter leaves a lasting impression. It shows you care about the details, and that attention to detail often translates to the quality of your work. It's a small change with a massive impact on how you're perceived. Today, we're going to dive into the simple yet crucial process of adding your logo to your servicem8 invoices. This isn't some deep, technical hack. It's a fundamental feature that's sometimes overlooked. We'll walk through it step by step, making it easy for anyone, regardless of their tech savviness, to get this done. We'll cover everything from the ideal logo file type and size to the exact menu you need to click. By the end of this video, you'll be able to send out invoices that don't just ask for payment, but also build your brand. Let's start with the basics. Before you even log into servicem8, you need to make sure you have the right logo file. You'll want a high-quality image, but not one that's so big it slows everything down. The best file types are typically PNG or JPEG. PNG is often preferred because it supports transparency, meaning if you have a non-white background on your invoice template, your logo will blend in seamlessly without a clunky white box around it. A good size to aim for is somewhere around 400 pixels wide by 100 pixels high, but don't worry too much about the exact dimensions. servicem8 is pretty good at resizing, but a well-proportioned image to start with will give you the best result. Now that you have your logo file ready to go, it's time to log in to your servicem8 account. You'll need to be on a desktop or laptop for this, as the logo upload feature is not available on the mobile app. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen for the settings icon. It's usually a gear or a cogwheel. Click on that. This will bring up your main settings menu. From here, you'll see a list of options. You're looking for the one that says Company Details or something similar. In older versions, it might have been called Account Settings, but Company Details is the current standard. Click on Company Details. This section is where you manage all the core information about your business that servicem8 uses. Your company name, address, contact details, and, you guessed it, your logo. On this page, you should see a space dedicated to your logo. It might be a small box with a placeholder image, or simply an empty space with a button that says Upload Logo or Change Logo. Click that button. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer for the logo file you prepared earlier. Navigate to where you saved your logo, select it, and click Open. servicem8 will then upload the file. You might see a small preview of your logo on the screen. Take a moment to make sure it looks correct. If it does, you're all set. Just be sure to click the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page to apply the changes. Now, the moment of truth. How do you know it worked? The logo won't magically appear on all your existing invoices, but it will be there for all new ones you generate. To see it in action, go to the Invoicing section of servicem8 and create a new invoice for a job. When you generate a preview, you should see your logo proudly displayed at the top. If for some reason it doesn't look right, or you want to make a change, you can simply go back to the Company Details section and upload a new one. But what if you have multiple brands or a specific logo for a particular type of work? servicem8 has a solution for that too, through its document templates. While the Company Details logo is the default for all your invoices, you can customize individual invoice templates with different logos. This is a bit more advanced but incredibly useful for businesses with diverse services. You would access this through the Document and Email Templates section of the settings, but for most users, simply uploading the main company logo in Company Details is all you need. In summary, Adding your logo to servicem8 is a three-step process. First, get the right file, a high-quality PNG or JPEG. Second, log in to servicem8 on a desktop, go to Settings, then Company Details, and upload your logo. Third, save your changes and generate a new invoice to see the results. It's that simple. By taking these few minutes to add your logo, you're not just customizing a document. You're professionalizing your entire operation. You're creating a consistent brand identity that clients will recognize and trust. It's a small investment of time that pays off in a big way, enhancing your company's image and reinforcing your commitment to quality. So go ahead. Give your invoices a face. Make them more than just a bill. Make them a representation of your brand. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.